let me show you how to attach and send a folder through Yahoo Mail. So all we need to do is compose an email and then come towards the bottom here and select this little paper clip. You'll have the option to choose attach file from recent emails or attach files from computer. I'll select the computer. Then you want to select the folder, then select open, then press send. If you want to see the older version, let's move over to that. You do the same, compose the email. The attached files is in the subject line here, so we'll select that. Now we're going to choose a folder. We'll choose the folder, then select open, then select attach files. So that's 2 ways on 2 different Yahoo Mails how to attach and send a folder through Yahoo Mail. If you found this video helpful, smash the like. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.